have decided to bring another very easy recipe for you guys and very inexpensive, because you guys have been asking me so much, like simple ingredients, easy to make, easy to put together, and amazing. Not that our recipes are not already like that, but one can always simplify things, right? So this one is a marinated zucchini. Easy as it sounds, and you're going to love it, I promise. So the vegetables that I have chosen are, of course, a zucchini, red bell pepper, and an onion that I have sliced very, very thinly. And now we're going to add water to the zucchini and a little bit of salt. And we're going to leave it resting for 20 minutes. And now we're going to drain this zucchini, drain the water, discard the water, and pat it dry very well, because now we're going to proceed to add olive oil to a skillet, because we're going to fry it a little bit. Stir a little bit and you fry it for about 5 minutes. We want the zucchini al dente. We want it cooked, but with a little bit of a snap. When you break it, not mushy, because it's going to continue cooking a little bit more with the rest of the vegetables. Now we're going to remove the zucchini from the skillet. And we're going to add the onions. Fry them a little bit. Add the garlic. Fry for about 40 seconds. Add the red bell pepper and the sprig of fresh rosemary. Add salt and pepper, and you fry it for about 5 minutes. Now we add the zucchini back to the skillet. We add a little bit of apple cider vinegar and a little bit more of olive oil. And now, what is it more to do? Nothing, because it's ready. Hello, easy, didn't I tell you? Now, it can keep marinating in the fridge for at least a week. The more time marinating, the better it tastes, I guarantee. You know what? Just like the escabeche that we made last week, click over here if you want to know how I made. It's a recipe, it's very unlikely that somebody would put a recipe together like that, but we did. And this is it for today. I hope you love it like I do, love it. And subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up. And what else I was going to say? Follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram. And if you make it, please tag me over there. And I will see you next time. Have a fabulous week. Bye-bye. So good.